Smell that.
New.
It's
rid of the sports car today, Jace.
A sports car?
Yeah, a sports car.
It's done how many? It's done 3,000 miles.
I know, but
it's got that new smell, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think this van's been used, has it?
It's not. Cooker's not been used. Nothing's been used in it. It's been driven, but it's not been lived in. It's not been slept in.
It's just stunning.
Stunning colour as well.
Stunning. Check the colour out.
Like a boy racer in this.
Have
you seen the wheels?
We need a bit of rap music on, don't we?
Yeah, have you seen the wheels?
So we're off on the holidays again.
Yeah.
Short holidays, aren't they?
Yeah.
About an hour. And we've got something special today, Kev, haven't we?
We certainly have. We've got a lovely Volkswagen.
Don't tell them what it is.
Why?
You Wally. That's the surprise we get out and we show them what the van is.
Alright then. We'll start again.
So we've got a lovely van today, Kev, haven't we?
We have, yeah.
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it?
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah.
I want to drive for miles in this. Miles.
It's that smell, isn't it? That new smell.
Yeah.
I know I keep harping on about it, but...
It's leather, isn't it? Leather.
Anyone guess what the van is? If you'd enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to us, and we're going to show you a really nice van.
An exceptionally nice van.
Okay.
Yeah, should we go in here?
Yeah, go on then, let's park up.
In this one or the next one?
This one will do.
This one will do,
yeah. Nobody's camping here.
No, we'll have the place to ourselves.
We've got all the area to ourselves.
Yeah. Should we go and turn right?
Actually park it right in the middle, because the van is that nice, we need to show it off.
We do. So should we have it this way, like this? On an angle? Yeah?
Yep.
We'll get the sun shining on those wheels.
Okay, we'll start a little bit different today. Let's have a look at the cab on this camper van. And look at that, what we have there. The media pack and everything, that's beautiful.
Yeah, I'm hiding what it is, so you can't see what it is.
Anybody guessed yet what the van is? Look at this. We've got everything, haven't we? Air conditioning, 5-speed. It's a Euro 6 as well, Kevin.
It is,
with the AdBlue.
You can go into the low emission zones.
It's a camper. We've got the electric windows.
Yep.
Yep, there.
Electric mirrors.
Electric mirrors.
We've got
cruise control.
Some
all the air conditioning and everything.
Oh, it's got everything.
We've not got cruise control though, have we? Oh, we have cruise control.
Yeah, cruise control.
Cruise control.
It's on the steering wheel.
Right, let's get outside and have a look at this beauty. What do you think? Volkswagen T6.1 Transporter, 4-berth, 5 belted seats. You want it, don't you? You want one. How can you not like it? Look at the colour. Look at it. Smoked windows. Check the wheels out. How nice are them? It's a 2020, just over 3,000 miles. It's a stunner. Rock up at any campsite with this van and people are going to look at you. Let's take a look at the new cab at the front. Actually, let's walk back, Kev, and admire that front there. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's a stunner, isn't it?
It is.
An absolute stunner. Loving the colour. I'm loving the front cab as well. I really do like, Kev. Out across, really nice. Do you know what it reminds me of? The Nissan L Grandos. Remember the older ones? Yeah, and they looked ahead of the time as well.
Yeah.
Well, that's really stunning. We've got the pop top with the windows in around, colour coded mirrors, and I like even here, classy, how the transporter's in there. See that? Class. So quick in the cab, we did show you the cab anyway, but Kev was hiding the steering wheel. So let's have another look inside. Oh! So, quick few stats before we move on. As I said, it's a 2020, it's a 2-litre Euro 6, only the one owner. It's just under 5 metres in length. It's the short wheelbase, so we'll get and have a look inside. 5-speed at 3,000 kilograms maximum is the weight on it. what is it there? Previously the T6, which includes a new front grille, side repeaters, and new slimline headlights. So Finn's done his own work there. It has actually got a solar on top as well. So you've seen this. Let's go and have a look at this beautiful, beautiful Volkswagen. So again, can't get over the wheels, and I just really can't get over the colour of it as well. So we have our electric point at the back, and again matching, and then we have water, matching again. And then let's have a look in the back. I'm liking the light lockers, really am liking the light ones.
White. Like your modern kitchens.
It isn't it? Yeah. Don't show inside, Kev, don't show. So what we've got in there, we've got the solar, so there's a little solar controller, so it's doing the job. And
a smart charger.
And we've got a smart charger as well as the consumer unit above. So the kit's in the van, Kev, the kit's in the van. And then below that, storage, and then we do have proper, how it should be done right, proper gas locker there. So it'll be a small little camping gas bottle. And then underneath again, underneath the bed, we do have the storage. So there we go. Look at that. King of the manor. So we'll shut that up and let's move around the back. Right, let's move around the side. Oh, I've done that the wrong way. So there we go at the back. If you just see on top of the roof there, we do have the solar. It's one of the flexible solars. So I'll give you all you need for actually running this van. And now, drum roll, let's have a look inside. Now, I'm feeling here, Kev, we're getting a little bit, see how we've got the nice kitchen type of lockers, which are white, and normally a lot of these Volkswagens, to be honest, are always dark. But do you know what I like here? We're getting the country style type of wood. So I think we're getting a bit of a hold with the new, and it works really well. Do you know what I mean? We've got the modern lockers, and then you've gone for the older style. I like that. I do like that. Let's move this seat out of the way. And a table. I'm not getting my words right today, Kev, am I? Must be the pressures I'm under.
House of wood.
It must be all the pressures, Kev, I'm under. That's what it is. So, speaker, obviously for the stereo. We've got storage as well there. Another little storage area. And then we have a water pump. Let's get some lights on. So we've got the spotlights there. We've also got spotlights going down onto the cooking area. Spots all the way along. And then again, nice little touches on the rock and roll bed. We've got the VW. The motif embroidered on as well. USB points, we have our Abispatch heating system, so that runs off the diesel. 12 volts, we've also got 230 as well there. Let's have a look under there. There's a good area for storage.
Yeah.
Real good area. And then we have the compressor fridge. That's probably locked. There you go. We've got the compressor fridge there.
Never been used, that.
It doesn't look like it, Kevin, does it?
Plastic on it.
We've still got the plastic on.
All the shelves are still taped in, look.
Oh yeah.
Everything's still taped in, it's not been used.
The fridge does work. That's nice and cold. And then let's have a look at what we've got on top of the unit. So again, look, the smoked glass again. I really like.
Oh, that's a nice little
Isn't that a nice little shower? Little shower. I'm not getting anything right today.
little bowl.
Nice little bowl there.
Nice touch, that.
There we go. And then 2 burner hot. That's modern.
All you need in a camper.
That's modern. I do like that. Really nice, classy. If you do spill anything, everything then can go into the drain.
It's lovely,
It's a fed 2 burner, all in one piece, isn't it there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really nice. And then what we've got as well, if you just go and have a look above, we've got a sleeping area as well for 2 more people. That's a good size up there, Kevin, isn't it?
That's good, yeah. You get 2 meals there easily. Yeah. No, you actually get 2.
We've got 7 of you up there. Hey-ho.
You get 2 adults up there.
Yes, that's a good size. So, shall we have a look how we work this rock and roll bedding? Do we know how it works?
No, I've not done that. It's got wheels on it, I can see that.
It hasn't. Ah, here we go. So there we go with the rock and roll bed. Quite easy actually now. Pull that down.
Just rock and roll music on.
And there you go. We've got a good size there. So yeah, we've got the good sized bed, so that'll fit 2 people. We've got the bed above. You can still access the fridge as well when the bed's down. We can still do a little bit of cooking, and we can still do a little bit of washing. So even though it's a short wheelbase, we're not obviously getting the room here, but we are getting access to the appliances. Yeah.
You can still get to your milk out of your fridge.
So bed, push down, see the little lever, pull, and then if you see, it brings it back up and we serve. Mother? We serve. So another thing as well, with the passenger seat, they do swivel around. So if I just move that table, and I'll let my little assistant show you how that works.
Right, the first thing to do is undo all these 3. Some rock and roll beds are different. With this one you've got to set
It's not a bed, Kev.
some swivel seats are different. Okay, that's you, that. I'm getting my words mixed up, not you. Some swivel seats are different. With some you don't have to set them all the way out. With this one you do. So it's whack them all the way out. Take your little cover plate off. We'll put that there. Now, if you come around here, Jason.
Right, I'm coming.
Well, are you sure you know how to work a camera now? Yeah. Right. So to access under the ear, pull forward, lift, pull forward, and then tilt. And then you've also got witch poles left out conveniently for it. There's 2 that go in here.
Right, yeah, so that locks them in then, doesn't it?
That locks them in place.
Yeah, and you've got good access down there as well.
Yeah, and jack and wheel braces over here.
Put a few tools in there and things.
Make sure you push this all the way back.
You'll get in there, Kev, won't you? Right, okay.
Right.
So you push it back.
Push it back.
Let's have a look.
Swivel round.
Now that's one of the best swivels I've seen on the Volkswagens.
Yeah.
I do like that.
Swivel round.
I do like that.
Slide it back. You can if you wanted.
You could lock that back in position, can't you?
Place, but
Yeah.
I'd be tempted not to, because you're still there and you can move forward to the table, move back. You don't really need to lock it. You're not going to travel with a seat like this, so yeah, that's good.
That'd suit you, Kev, because you wouldn't have to move at all, would you then? You can just go back.
Yeah, you can move, because you remember your table's coming to here, so really you want to slide this forward.
Yeah.
It does slide side to side as well.
Now we've had a few of them in, Kev, and I think that's the best. I really like that design, how it comes forward.
Yeah, the other ones you tend to slacken them off and then move them over to one side. These, but with this one, by taking them all the way out, you've got a lot more movement, and they've got good rollers on them, the same as the rock and roll bed. So yeah, nice touch.
Yeah, it is. So what a nice Volkswagen. What a really nice Volkswagen. I'm loving the colour outside. I love the alloys outside. Love the new shape. I love the cab. I don't think there's anything that I don't like about it. I like the modern look with the wood. They're good worktops, they are. The smoke tops as well with the integrated hobs and sink. Well, you've probably got a few more spotlights than you actually need. You've got the sleeping above as well. Quickly run through some stats. It's a 2020 T6.1, 4 berth 5 belted seats, 5 speed, 3,000 kilograms weight. It's got 1 owner. It's done just over 3,000 miles, just under 5 meters in length, rock and roll bed. We have got 69 litre fresh water, blown air diesel that I've shown you, Pioneer speaker system, USB points 240, built-in sat nav as well. There's not much more I can say. Typical camper layout, they don't really change on the layouts, but this has just got style. This is a really nice build. The gas lock has been done out, it should be done. I'm loving the colour outside. This van is probably going to set you back anywhere between 50,000–55,000 pounds, but it feels a 50,000–55,000 pound van. It really does, especially with the new cab as well. This is a stunning camper van. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to us. If you enjoyed this van, don't forget to hit the like button. And I don't know if we're going to be able to top this, Kev. I really don't.
I don't know.
But we'll have a good go. See you in the next video.
Dose. Yeah.